Change, change, change. 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 Change, change food.
Okay. I know that's not what she's really saying, but you get the idea, right? Time for food chains. Hey, Hunters Green. This is Mrs. Faust, and you're watching 60 Seconds of Science. All living things rely on food. But defining the word food is different for every living organism. I can explain it to you through the food chain. So let's review animal classifications first.
Vertebrates have a backbone. Invertebrates have an exoskeleton. Vertebrates include birds, reptiles, mammals, fish, and amphibians.
Invertebrates include bugs, insects, arachnids, and crustaceans.
What is a beetle? What is a duck? What is a spider? And what about a crow? All animals have a structural and behavioral adaptation.
Okay, so now that you've reviewed the basics, let's talk about how all of those animals are connected to each other as an energy source for one another. This is the food chain and the food web. The sun. This is the ultimate source of almost all energy on Earth. The energy from the sun is essential for life on our planet. Then we have our primary producers, including plants such as algae. Primary consumers are next, and these are the animals that eat your primary producers. They essentially could include all herbivores like rabbits, deer, and grasshoppers. Secondary consumers are the animals that eat the primary consumers. And these are typically carnivores like foxes, wolves, and snakes. Tertiary consumers are top predators like lions, eagles, and sharks, and they eat the secondary consumers. It's not exactly like this, but this image is certainly more palatable than some of the others I found. Yeesh. It's important that I don't forget decomposers. These are organisms like bacteria, fungi, and worms that break down dead plants and animals, returning nutrients to the soil. So what's the difference between a food chain and a food web? Well, the main difference between a food chain and a food web lies in their complexity and how they represent the flow of energy and nutrients inside a specific ecosystem. You see, each of these 5th grade dioramas features a different ecosystem, and within each ecosystem, there's a different environment, different climate, and multiple different types of animals. In a food web, organisms are connected by multiple feeding relationships, reflecting the reality that most organisms have more than one food source and are eaten by more than one predator. So if you're like us and you love to eat, take a little time tonight to do some research on food webs, food chains, and how everything is connected. This has been excessively more than 60 Seconds of Science with Mrs. Faust.